Have you ever pondered over the sheer importance of air brake tests? Why is it crucial to ensure that these powerful stoppers are in perfect working condition? The answer lies in the fact that they are the unsung heroes of the transportation world, especially for the big rigs. Ensuring their optimal performance could be the difference between a safe journey and a potential disaster. Today we delve into the 7-step process of conducting an air brake test, a thorough, systematic approach to ensure the safety and efficiency of your vehicle. Step 1. Vehicle inspection. This is the initial step where the driver has to visually inspect the vehicle. Check for any visible air leaks, cracked brake drums, and worn-out brake pads. This step is crucial to identify any obvious physical issues that could lead to brake failure. Step 2. Check for air pressure buildup. Start your vehicle and allow the air pressure to build up to the manufacturer's recommended maximum level. This step ensures that the air compressor is functioning properly and is capable of maintaining the necessary air pressure for the brakes to work. Step 3. Test the warning light and buzzer. Now, reduce the air pressure by repeatedly applying the brakes. When the pressure drops to a certain level, the warning light and buzzer should activate. This is a vital safety feature that alerts the driver in case of a sudden drop in air pressure. Step 4. Test the emergency brake. With the air pressure still low, try to move the vehicle. The emergency brake should automatically engage and prevent the vehicle from moving. This step verifies the automatic application of the emergency brake system when air pressure is low. Step 5. Service brake check. Now, build the air pressure back to its maximum and apply the service brakes. The vehicle should not move. This step tests the service brakes' functionality and ensures they are working as intended. Step 6. Brake release test. Release the brakes and ensure the vehicle does not move. This step checks the brake's release mechanism and ensures that there is no sticking or dragging, which could cause unnecessary wear and tear. Step 7. Final check. Lastly, turn off the engine but leave the electrical power on. Observe the air pressure gauge and listen carefully for any signs of air leakage. This final step ensures that there are no leaks in the system and that the air pressure is being maintained. In summary, it's clear that each of these 7 steps plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of your air brake system. From visually inspecting the vehicle, checking the air pressure buildup, testing the warning systems, emergency and service brakes, to the brake release mechanism, and finally checking for any air leaks, every single step is essential. Performing these steps regularly is not just a safety obligation, but it's also a way to ensure your vehicle's longevity. So remember, a little time spent on a thorough air brake test could save you from potential calamities down the road. Because when it comes to brakes, it's always better to be safe than sorry.